So hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. This is Rohit Kharwar, and today's video we are going to discuss about last 4 months strategy for AMCET entrance exam preparations. So if you want to know the last 4 months strategy, how to prepare for the last 4 months, so watch this video till end. You got a proper knowledge in this video for the last 4 month strategy of AMCET entrance exams. And before started, I have to discuss with you something. This is very important for you. Guys, the Unacademy platform. On Unacademy, there is a free T20 test series is going on from 2 November. So if you want to join there, if you want to enroll there, so you can go and join and enroll on Unacademy, because this is very helpful if you are preparing. You are preparing for AMCET, so here daily basis T20 test series they are getting daily basis, not a weekly. They are taking daily basis test series, so you can go and check and you understand how much you are prepared for the whatever you are preparing for. So means like whatever subjects you are preparing for, maths, physics, chemistry, all subjects, biology. So here all subjects T20 test series are going on from till 2 November. So you can check here, and from how you will check, I will give a link in description. Go and click on there, you will reach to that page and enroll there for T20 test series. Okay, so let's move to the strategy. So guys, there is a 2 category of students. How much 2 category of students? So first category of student who prepare all the lessons till December, okay, till November, ending of November, who complete the all lessons and prepared. And the second category of student who nothing prepared even till November, and they are thinking to start preparation from December. That second category student. And first category students who prepare all the lessons of physics, chemistry and mathematics, and they thinking to revise from December. And second category students who are not prepared anything and they started from December. So this video for both of you who who prepared for all the syllabus and who not prepared anything, they can also watch this video, and it is really helpful. Both of guys, category 1 student and category 2 students, who are belongs to category 1 student, they prepare all the questions, all the subjects. They can use this strategy. For their revision. And who not prepared anything, they can use this strategy to prepare all subjects and all the lessons. Okay, so how you can prepare the 4 month strategy? This will really help you to score 140 or 150 plus marks in AMCET entrance exams. So let's see what is strategy for 4 months. So guys, here are a 4 month strategy for AMCET preparation. Okay, so move to the next slide. See, you have total subjects for MPC, your mathematics, physics and chemistry. You can see on a screen there are the 3 subjects. Okay, 3 subjects that were mathematics and physics and chemistry. So total number of chapters I am given in this PPT. You can see the chapter of each. Mathematics have a 6 chapters. How much chapters you have? Mathematics have a 6 chapters, and physics have a 26 chapters, and chemistry have 31 chapters, and total chapters is a 63 chapters you have. Okay, so 63 chapters you have. So how you have to prepare these chapters? I have divided all the chapters in a week. Okay, I have divided how you can prepare for these chapters. You have a total 63 chapters. How much chapters? 63 chapters. Okay, so let's see how to prepare for the 4 month strategy. So let's move to the next slides. So here it started from December. This month is going on December, and this video is uploaded on 6 December. Okay, so the 6th December we already 1 week pass away. Okay, already 1 week pass away. So we can start from, we have in December 3 weeks. Okay, so I have divided lesson in 3 weeks. Okay, December. So chemistry, see, on a December how you have to prepare. See on PPT, the chemistry 6 chapters, chemistry 6 chapters, and physics 6 chapters, and mathematics 4 chapter. And see, in a chemistry, 6 chapters means need to cover at least 2 chapters. Need to cover at least 2 chapters in a week. You have to cover 2 chapters in a week. Okay, chemistry you have to cover 2 chapters in a week, and physics physics are same as same chemistry. Physics you have also cover 2 chapters in a week. Okay, in a week you have to cover 2 chapters. And mathematics you have to cover at least 1 chapter. Okay, in a mathematics you have to cover at least 1 chapter. Sorry, here is I have written 4 chapter, but here is only 3 chapters, not 4 chapter you can cover. Okay, so 3 chapters you have to cover. 1 week you have to cover 1 chapter. So in a mathematics you have to cover 1 week. In mathematics you have to cover 1 week 1 chapter, second week second chapter, third week third chapter. Okay, how you will prepare for Jan? So here I have written or see on a screen, chemistry you have to prepare 8 chapters. How much? 8 chapters. So you can see on screen the 8 chapters, and need to cover at least 2 chapters in a week. You have to cover 2 chapters in a week for chemistry. And physics also you have to cover 8 chapters and need to cover at least 2 chapters in a week. Okay, 2 chapters in a week. And mathematics you have to cover 3 chapters. How much chapter? 3 chapters. I have written here 2 chapters, sorry for that. You have to cover 3 chapters. Okay, so need to cover at least 1 chapter in a week. Okay, at least 1 chapter in a week. So this is for your Jan preparation strategy. And move to the Fab. So Fab you have to chemistry same as same last PPT. Fab you have also cover 8 chapters in a chemistry and need to cover at least 2 chapters in a week. Then you have complete your chemistry 8 chapters in a month now. So you have to cover 2 chapters in a week. And physics same as 8 chapter you have to cover and need to cover 2 chapters in a week. And in a mathematics, see, last PPT, like in a Jan you have covered 3 chapters. In a December you have covered how much? 3 chapters. So here 6 chapters are finished. Your mathematics is done in a 2 month only. Okay, then in a Fab month what you have to do, whatever you have learned, whatever you have solved in mathematics in December and January, all lessons you have to revision in a Fab month. And daily you have to revise 1 hour for mathematics. Okay, daily you have to give 1 hour for mathematics, that whatever you have solved the last mathematics, so that you have means you, when you will solve, then it will be a recall, then you never forget that all mathematics formulas. And so for Fab this. And let's move to the March. Okay, in March there is a board exam is there. So this is not for a board exam, this is for an entrance exam. So you have to prepare for an entrance exam. I don't think so ki in March your board exam is happened because of coronavirus, you know. So I think it will be postponed. It will be postponed. I can't say this, but might be. Okay, so you can see on a March strategy, chemistry is a 8 chemistry you have to prepare same as same last PPT, like you have prepared in a Fab month. So you have to prepare same as same 8 chapters in a chemistry, and need to cover at least 2 chapters in a week. Then you will complete a 8 chapter in a month. Okay, calculate it. And physics is the 4th chapter. In physics you have to complete 4 chapters in physics, because there is a 26, how much? There was a 26 chapters. So already we have done in 3 months 22 chapters, and here the last chapter is 4. Okay, so you have to cover 4 chapter, need to cover at least 2 chapters in a week. And mathematics as same as 1 hour revision daily basis, that you will recall all the formulas and whatever you have solved the mathematics, and it's recall, and you will better and better in mathematics. So you have to revision that 1 hour mathematics. Okay, so here are your 4-month strategy. You have seen on a screen how I have shared your 4-month strategy, how you can prepare for AMCET entrance exam. If you are not study till this November, so you can start from December. That second category of student who are not prepared for till November, they can start from December, and who are totally prepared and all lessons are done, they can revise from till December. You can follow same strategy you have. So these are the 4th month strategy. Whatever I have strategy say in my video, that strategy PDF you got in a description, so go and check out the description PDF. I've given PDF in a description. Go and check out that strategy PDF and download it and start study for your preparation for AMCET entrance exam. I hope you will like this video, and if you like this video, then share with your friends and subscribe this channel for more updates for AMCET entrance exam. And I will give you last month strategy. Okay, I will provide you last month strategy in the same channel. So you have to subscribe my channel, and there was a lot of things related to AMCET entrance exam and important topics which is come on AMCET entrance exam, which lessons, important topics are asking in a AMCET entrance exam repeated every year. So I will make video on that topics. Okay, so hope you will like this video and share with your friends and subscribe this channel.